Hello everyone, this is your financial flosser and I am here to give you a tip how to spend $10 or less in the dollar store, in the Dollar Tree, and get some personal products for your young ladies. I started this practice when my daughters were very young, when they first got their menstrual cycle, actually even before then, to prepare them when they got their cycle so that they will have that emergency kit just in case. So while these aren't necessarily the products that I use personally for my young ladies, I wanted to give you another option, so you don't always have to buy the brand name option, but I just wanted to make sure that you were aware. So as you can see, I have everything in these nice little packages. So what you would need: ultra thin pads, a pack of the maxi pads for the thicker overnight wear, feminine wipes. You can use either kind. I have two different kinds, but they're disposable. They are not flushable, but they are disposable. And this is a nice way for your young lady to always feel nice and clean and fresh, because we know that with warm climate weathers and just with perspiration, that can change our pH level and also maybe not make us feel or smell as fresh as we would like. You also need some sandwich bags. Again, these are all items from the Dollar Tree. I even picked up some stinky bowel spray. This is not, well, very similar to Poop Be Gone, but this is $1.25, okay? I also get a bar of soap. This is Dove, but you can use any kind, and a white washcloth. Okay, and then the last two things that I purchased was just a little bag, a little cosmetic or duffel bag. I think it's just called a belt bag, and then a just for her case. Okay, so this is the way I normally do it. I will place inside of a Ziploc bag a sanitary napkin or tampon and or both, as well as 2 wipes so that they can freshen up, and a paper towel. And I'll tell you why. Because some young ladies go into the restroom and they open up their sanitary product, and when they do, I didn't use this one before. When they do, they just leave everything, the wrapper, they just throw it and leave the wrapper there. And no one should know that your young lady is having their menstrual cycle, okay? And so what I advise individuals to do, that once they take it out the package, to discard the old one, you're simply going to just roll until it's over,